Hello guys, my name is Ahtisham and today I'm gonna show you a new level of laziness. Have you been so lazy that you don't even feel like moving your fingers to interact with your phone? Well, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you how to get things done using your face. Yes, you heard me correct. You are going to use your face to interact with your phone. Now the app we are going to be using is called EVA Facial Mouse. Now this app's original purpose was to help people with disabilities to interact with their smartphones, but that doesn't stop us from using it for other purposes. The app is available on Android and iOS. You can go download the app right now. It's completely free and doesn't take up much disk space. First, when you launch the app, you have to go through a calibration process, which we're quickly going to over right now. So let's start. Now just show your face in the camera and after that, click on next. Now if you want to install the Google keyboard, you can install it, but I don't want to install it because it's of no use. I already have a keyboard, so let's skip this and click on next. I'll show you when to continue with configuring the keyboard. Okay. Now just move the arrow to the corners. You don't have to move your face, just move your mobile, move your face. Just move your face. Now after that, click on next. Motion slow. Next. Okay, now how to make click? Click on next. Now just take your arrow where you want to click and stop there for a moment and it will click automatically. Now again next. Now for long click, just move your mouse there, stop there, and after that you'll get an option. For a long click, just click on long click. Now next, scroll buttons. Click on the scroll button at the bottom right corner to continue. Just click on these arrows. Okay, next. No limitations. Next. Okay, these are the functions. After memorizing all of them, click on next again. Oh wow, we have finished. Next, finish action. So now, let's get started and you can do whatever you want to do now. So once you're done with the calibration, you are free to use the app for whatever you want. Now just for fun, I'm going to try and play Clash Royale using this app. Now I'm probably going to lose all my profits, so please drop a like and share this video. Without any further ado, let's start. So guys, I have changed my mobile just to play Clash Royale because my Clash Royale account is in another mobile. I have changed my mobile from Galaxy S7 to Samsung Galaxy Note 8 just to play Clash Royale and show you guys, just to have fun. Okay, so let's start our game. So let's battle. Oh shit, there is a problem. We can't play Clash Royale or any game using this app. Oh well, that's sad. Okay, but no problem, there are many other usages of it. Problem. At least we enjoyed it, right? So, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share, and for more videos please stay tuned. And I have started playing, but I can't play it because it doesn't work with the games. It's no problem. Bye.